Business risk. A risk resulting from significant conditions and events and circumstances, actions or inaction that may adversely affect the entity's ability to achieve its objective and execute its strategy from the setting of inappropriate objective and strategies. Example, we can see each one. So risk resulting from there is something problem is coming in the business. What is such kind of problem? Significant condition. Example, they need to renew the loan. They didn't do it properly. What happens? Penalty. Events. You need to apply, file the income tax return within due dates. Not filed. Penalty. Circumstances. There is a fire. So if that insurance is being taken, good. Not problem. Actions and inactions. Your employees have doing strike. You address the action. Okay. If not, no problem. They will go to court and your operations may be stuck adverse or that could adversely affect the entity's ability to achieve its objective and execute the strategies. What is the objective? You want to have a turnover of this many crores, this many lakhs. You can't able to achieve because of this planning. There is no proper planning, not execution of the planning. That is the thing. And from the setting or from the setting of inappropriate objectives and strategies, sometimes the company may say that you can see this in the projections that they may say we will be able to achieve this kind of this money amount of loan amount. We want this money amount loan, but we will achieve this turnover in 5 years. That is totally, it will not be in the market range. 5%, 10%. Okay, they will say 500% they will achieve. In 5 lakhs, it will cost for around 5 crores. They will see such a way they will speak. That is the problems in business risk.